really important for us to discuss, prospects of resilient peace, sustainable peace, especially in West Africa.
The threat to peace in West Africa amounts to a threat to peace the world over.
The workshop was really helpful because it brought together lots of different academics from different disciplines who were all working on ideas of resilience in peace.
How can we make peace that is long-lasting, that brings reconciliation, but also address the root causes of the conflict?
Local initiatives in building peace are more sustainable because it's locally driven.
It shouldn't come from, the international community. We as Africans must come together and really say, yes, this is what we want.
It's very important to bring all these people in one room to discuss all these issues. I think it's only when we get that holistic perspective and view, approach to the world that we can, then act.
It's a very good opportunity.
Every initiative that brings together people who think and do, doers and thinkers, is a good thing.
I hope we have more opportunities like this in future.